Maternity Protection Convention, 1919 is an international labor organization convention. It was established in 1919, having decided upon the adoption of certain proposals with regard to women's employment before and after childbirth, including the question of maternity benefit modification. The principles contained in the convention were subsequently revised and included in ILO Convention C-103, Maternity Protection Convention, revised, 1952, and in Maternity Protection Convention, 2000. Ratifications. As of 2013, the convention had been ratified by 34 states. Of the ratifying states, 8 have subsequently denounced the treaty. External links. Text. Ratifications.